Health and safety improvements for the office. The purpose of this presentation is to bring attention to the health concerns in the office. You will be provided with solutions to make the workplace a safer environment for your employees. The most threatening hazard in the office is carpal tunnel syndrome. It has been the only cause of workplace injury in the past 10 years. The next concerning hazard is caused by being sedentary for most of the workday. Back and neck problems can be extremely painful and can result in days out of work. Another problem is the sound from the ventilation system. With an average of 75 decibels when the HVAC is running, any additional noise could create lasting hearing impairments. This may not affect the employee's work, but it could have a lifelong impact. The office has a problem with the inconsistent temperature. It creates more discomfort than danger, but it could lead to illness. A cold temperature affects carpal tunnel. Office workers have reported mold in the bathroom. This could irritate the lungs of the employees and lead to respiratory problems. Preventing carpal tunnel is the top priority. There are many low-cost strategies to prevent carpal tunnel. Typing softly, taking breaks, stretching, and maintaining good posture are all controllable ways to avoid carpal tunnel. Ensuring that hands are kept warm can help prevent carpal tunnel syndrome. Supervisors should lead a meeting where all the suggestions are shared. Creating or obtaining a poster with all effective techniques should be placed around the office as a resource for employees. Workers could be provided with wrist braces to prevent damage or aid pre-existing conditions. Ergonomic keyboards and mice can be purchased to aid employees. To prevent ailments caused by sitting all day, the top recommendation is to take a break and stand up. Employees can go to the bathroom, get water and food, or just circle the desks a few times. When employees are sitting, they should use proper posture to prevent back and neck pain. Desk height should be measured and adjusted to the user's height. Literature should be distributed with information about proper posture. Employees could use back pillows or ergonomic chairs if they are experiencing pain. The ventilation is causing two problems. The sound when the HVAC turns on is too loud, and it creates an inconsistent temperature. A quieter and more efficient system could be used to solve both problems. Installing a new ventilation system would be more expensive and may disrupt the office's functions temporarily. Noise-absorbing panels could be installed into walls to neutralize the sound. Workers could be provided with noise-canceling headphones or earplugs. Moving the thermostat and increasing the building insulation could create a more stable temperature. This is another expensive engineering control that would be disruptive. Rearranging the seating may help reduce complaints about the heat. You can move employees around depending on what temperature they prefer. Desks could be moved away from the vent to avoid the cold air. The employer could provide free sweatshirts to employees. This could ensure workers have something warm to wear and may improve happiness. Fans could be purchased and used when the temperature gets too high. The sweatshirt and fan recommendations are the least efficient solutions. Typing gloves could be provided to cold employees to prevent carpal tunnel syndrome. The mold in the bathroom can probably be removed with deep cleaning. The manager needs to contact the cleaning crew and make sure they get rid of it. If the mold has permeated the walls or ceilings, then those surfaces will need to be replaced. Insulation may be removed as well. Face masks could be worn in the bathroom, but it would be very wasteful. The bathroom could be closed off to prevent mold inhalation. Those are the solutions to improve the safety of the office. Thanks.